Can I do it? Can I record it? So what are these exactly?
It's called a Nathan Airchime K5 LA. It's a 5-chime horn. They make them for trains. And there's a compressor over there, and then there's one over here too.
That's a compressor on that
Please
side?
don't mind my mess of wires. I will eventually straighten up my wires, but I've been just enjoying playing with it for right now.
Sweet. Can we hear it?
Can we leave it open?
Sure.
Are you gonna stand there?
Yeah.
Do you like your hearing?
Okay, I'm gonna cover up one ear at least. Holy shit balls, that was loud! Oh my god! That was awesome! It was so loud. Those are the compressors, right?
Yeah, they kick back on.